Hi guys, so I wanted to make a video showing all the things that I bought for my kids for Christmas in case some of you are still doing your final Christmas shopping. I believe that a lot of these may be still available to be shipped before Christmas. For reference, I have a little girl who's 4 years old, almost 4, and a boy who is 7. So these are the gifts that I got for them. All of these gifts are from Amazon, so hopefully a lot of them are still available to get here in time before Christmas. I'll link everything down below in the description, so if you are interested in checking anything out, just click the link. I'll start with my son, who is 7 years old. So this is a metal detector, and he's been asking for one. I believe it was around $50 or $60. Had decent reviews on Amazon, so I don't want to open it, but I'll put a picture in of what it looks like. Another thing I got for him is this 3 doodler flow. It's a pen where you can insert this, like, I guess, like plastic spools, they call them, and it melts and comes out in, you know, like a more liquid form and then hardens. They call it the 3D printing pen. My son has been asking for a 3D printer. He's not getting that, but I figured that this would be a good alternative, you know, for now. And it seems like you can make different shapes, and I got him an additional little pack of refills, like the filament refills that you can put into the pen and make different art and different 3D things with it. If your son or daughter is into reading and books, this next gift would be really good. My son lately has been really into graphic novels, and he spends a lot of time just making his own books. So my friend actually told me about this comic book kit. This allows you to create your book and then have this company print it and deliver it to you, and then you can actually publish it and share it with family and friends. And if anyone wants to buy it, it's kind of a fun way to get them into writing and creating their own books and stories. So I thought that Harry would enjoy this because literally we have stacks of paper books that he wrote himself, and he illustrates them. So I feel like this would be a really, really good present for him. Another thing I got for my son is this light up water bottle. He has to have water at night next to him every single night, and I thought that this would be a really cool idea. It's a gamer themed water bottle, and it has battery little, you know, pack on the bottom, so you can just light it up and keep it on at night. It probably would use a lot of batteries if you keep it on continuously, but still a really fun idea for a water bottle. A couple of smaller gifts that I got for my son are, he's been asking for Crocs, and he specifically wanted rainbow colored ones, so we got these for the summer. A lot of his friends have them, and he does not yet, so he'll be very excited for these. My son is also a big jokester, and he loves to pull pranks and make jokes, so he's been asking for a Whoopy Cushion. This is a pack of 3. And he also likes spiders, and he actually put on his list that he wants a realistic spider. So I got him a little spider like prank box where it's a box, and when you open it, a spider flies out. I feel like he would like that, and he would love to pull pranks on a lot of his friends with this. These are paint markers. I believe they're markers, but when you press down, paint comes out. They're by the brand Posca. He's been watching a lot of YouTube videos with like art videos where people use these to draw, and so he's been asking about them. They're not cheap necessarily. They're like $20 for 8, but I think you get really vibrant, like juicy colors with these, so I think he will really enjoy this. Both my son and my daughter have been wanting these little reversible plushies. They're like little octopus plushies, and so I got one for my son and my daughter. They go from happy, and then if you know, invert them, they become a sad little face. I'm sure everyone has seen these around, but they've been asking for these for a long time. I also got him a lot of books, so I got him the Magic Tree House set. This one is the only thing that's not from Amazon. This one was actually at Costco. I also got him, this is actually something that he asked for himself. This is called The Legend of Rock, Paper, Scissors. I actually started reading this book. It's really cute. I like it. And then also this book that was recommended for someone a while ago. It's His Grace is Enough, How God Makes It Right When We Got It Wrong. And I thought this would be a good little book to read before bed. For my daughter, she's almost 4. She has been in a long princess phase where anything princess will be a total hit. Anything that is not princess related is completely unacceptable. So most of her presents are going to be princess related, starting with this obvious, huge, life-size Rapunzel doll. She already has a life-size Ariel doll that she got last year for her birthday. So this year she asked for a Rapunzel doll, and this is pretty impressive. Let me tell you, this is a good gift that's relatively inexpensive, but definitely will like wow your kid. I also got her this Ariel doll, comes with, you know, the mermaid tail and a different dress and some accessories, so she will love that. She also loves all things makeup, nail polish, lipsticks, so she's actually asked for this lip gloss set with all the different princesses on them. This is non-toxic and should be really fun for her. Another thing I got her is this Aurora Princess Castle Lego set. This is for ages 4 and up. I think it shouldn't be too difficult for her to put together. But yeah, it does come with a castle and the little princess and prince. Don't know the name of the prince for Aurora. I need to brush up on that. But yeah, this should be a lot of fun for her. My daughter also has been loving Miraculous Ladybug. She's been watching all of the cartoons, and so she asked for a Miraculous Ladybug doll. So this is another great option. And also these color reveal surprise little kits have been such a hit. We've already gotten her a couple of these, and if you haven't seen them or try them out, they're actually a lot of fun. It comes with a princess doll and a couple accessories that you put in the water. They're first like covered with a colorful film or something, but you put it in the water, shake it up, and then that washes off and reveals who the princess is. So it's so much fun for little kids, I feel like her age, to do and then collect the little princesses and accessories that you get. And then also some of these gifts are for other kids in our family, cousins, nieces, nephews, and stuff like that. So another girl gift is this little princess doll set. It comes with 6 princesses and little outfits that you can remove, and tea sets as well. I thought this was a really cool idea for a Lego set for a smaller child, because it comes like a book, in shape of a book. So once you open it, there is a castle and some Lego dolls inside, and you could keep it all kind of contained, and then when you're done they can close it and also keep all the pieces together. For those of you that are OCD, you would appreciate this. But I also got this for one of our cousins, and I think this would be really fun for, you know, a younger kid that isn't really old enough to do full-on Lego sets yet. Another thing I got is this makeup kit, this unicorn makeup kit. I'll insert a picture of what it actually looks like. Comes with a makeup set and some brushes and you know, lip glosses. So that should be a lot of fun for the little girls that love pretend play. For another little boy that's our cousin in our family, I got him a Spider-Man costume. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's one of those, you know, Spider-Man costumes. Comes with a mask, it's a whole-on bodysuit, which is a lot of fun. My son had a costume phase where he had Spider-Man costumes, and he loved that. Also, I got a walkie-talkie for another one of our cousins. I feel like this is a really fun gift for boys, where they can run around and talk to friends. So that's another thing I got for them. These Imagine Ink coloring books for girls or boys, they come different themes. They're so great for stocking stuffers. So I got one of these for my daughter. For one of our cousins, I got this LED mask. It's a mask that has a bunch of little LED lights and lights up in the dark, and comes with all these different, you know, faces that you can light up and illuminate. Pretty fun, probably for an older kid. My little niece is also into kitties and plushies, so she actually put on her list this little kitty cat, but it's really cute because once you unzip the tummy, it comes with 3 little baby cats. They're all different color, so, and it's really soft and just really, really snuggly. So that's a really cute gift for a girl. My niece is like 8 or 9, so this is, I feel like, a great gift for any age. And lastly, this is a great gift for also a younger girl. This is a whole mermaid outfit. Comes with a mermaid kind of a swimming suit, a top, a mermaid tail, and then one of these things that you can actually use in the water. So I feel like that would be really fun for dress up, but also for swimming in the pool. And this one was for a little cousin of ours who's about 5, I think. So yeah, a really fun present for a little girl. So these are all the gifts. I hope that this was helpful for you if you're struggling with some last minute ideas and gift shopping. Again, I will link everything down below. Check it out. I believe that some of these things are still able to be shipped in time before Christmas. If you have any questions, please put them down below and subscribe for more videos like this.